Some places are so remote, so wild, that even time is afraid to go there. Today, we walk into one of those places, entry into Karakoram. This is the Karakoram, a mountain kingdom where the world's greatest glaciers live, Baltoro, Biafo, and deep inside them, Snow Lake. They say Baltoro is not a trek, it is a taste. 60 kilometers of ice, one of the harshest landscapes on earth. No roads, no signals, no second chances. Here, mountains do not stand tall, they rise like giants. K2, Broad Peak, Mushroom, every direction reveals a legend. Baltoro is the path where courage learns its meaning. And then, Baltoro reminds you, beauty here always comes with danger. Crevasses, ice bridges, and sudden drops, every step demands respect. One glacier ends and another begins. From Baltoro, the world changes again. You step onto Biafo, one of the longest ice highways on earth. Biafo's ancient ice. The ice here is older than human history. Some layers are thousands of years old, silently holding memories of the earth. Every crack, every bubble, a story frozen in time. The silence. Here silence is a sound. In Biafo there are no villages, no roads, only the echo of your footsteps and endless white stretching beyond sight. And approaching Snow Lake, there is a world inside this world, and we are getting close. After days of walking, climbing, freezing, you reach a point few humans have ever reached. 10 Snow Lake reveal. This is Snow Lake, 16 kilometers of ice, 1600 meters deep, a frozen ocean hidden among the mountains. Only one snow lake exists on earth, and it is here. The feeling, here you realize the world is far bigger than we imagined and far more beautiful than we deserve. The return journey, and the hardest part, turning back from a place like this. Every step away is a memory, every glance back is a story etched in ice. Runner destinations, they are reminders that nature still writes stories more powerful than anything humans ever could. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow Peaceful GB for more breathtaking adventures from Gilgit Baltistan.